Hello, student. Welcome to my channel and a journey of exploring education. Today, we'll see what is marketing. Marketing is about identifying and meeting human and social needs. One of the shortest goods definition of marketing is meeting needs profitably. Marketing management as the art and science of choosing target markets and keeping growing customers through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. A social definition shows the role of marketing plays in society. Social definition has served our purpose. Marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and what through creating, offering, and freely exchanging product and services of value with others. Let's see what is marketed. Marketers market 10 main types of entities: goods, services, events, experiences, persons, places, properties, and organizations, information, and ideas. Let's take a quick look at these categories. The first is goods. Physical goods constitute the bulk of most countries' production and marketing efforts. Each year, Indian companies market cars, trucks, television sets, machine tools, machines, industrial chemicals, watches, cosmetics, and various other main stage of modern economy. The next one is services. As companies' economies advance, a growing proportion of their activities focuses on production of services. Services include the work of airlines, hotels, car rental firms, barbers and beauticians, maintenance and repair people, and accountants, bankers, lawyers, engineers, and doctors, software programmers, and management consultants. Many market offering mixed goods and services such as fast food meal. The third point is events. Marketers promote time-based events such as major trade shows, artistic performances and company anniversaries, global sporting events such as Olympics and the World Cup, and promoted aggressively to both companies and fans. Next one is experiences. By orchestrating several services and goods, a firm can create stage and market experiences. An amusement park or a water park represents experiential marketing. By taking rides in the amusement park or the water park, customers enjoy the thrill provided by these experiences. So does a theme-based restaurants that creates the ambience of village in Rajasthan or Gujarat. The next point is persons. This includes artists, musicians, CEOs, physicians, high-profile lawyers and financiers and other professionals all get help from celebrity marketers. Celebrities such as Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Sachin Tendulkar, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni are big brands in themselves. The next point is places. Cities, states, regions, and whole nations compete to attract tourists, residents, factories, and company headquarters. Place marketers include economic development specialist, real estate agent, commercial banks, local business associations, and advertising and public relation agencies. The next point is properties. Properties are intangible rights of ownership to either real property, real estate, or financial property, stocks, and bonds. The next point is organization. Organizations works to build a strong, favorable and unique image in the minds of their target publics. Many organizations in India and its neighboring countries undertake socially useful initiatives in domains such as health, education, women empowerment and poverty alleviation as a part of their corporate social responsibilities. This help companies to develop a favorable company image to enhance brand perceptions among the public and other relevant constituencies. The second last point is information. The production, packaging, and distribution of information are major industries. Information is essentially what books, schools, and universities produce, market, and distribute at the price to parents, students, and communities. And the last point is ideas. Every market offering includes a basic idea. Charles Revson, a Revlon of Revlon, once observed, in the factory we make cosmetics, but in the drugstore we sell hope. Products and services are platforms for delivering some idea or benefits. Hope you understand this. Thank you.